Hi, my name's Paul. I'm head of geography and I'm leading the CAS group for the campus development project. Just wanted to sort of point out this is a bee sting on my eye. Don't want to scare anybody away. I've not been getting myself into trouble or anything. So the campus development project. Last year I led a series of assemblies across the years introducing this project, and it was cut short by lockdown, but we really got started with this project and got quite a bit of research done. So it is a research group that students can participate in. So just to remind you or introduce some of the ideas to you, we are looking at the outdoor campus space in school and how that could be redesigned to serve the community more effectively in future years. So look, one of the things I want to point out is that public space, how public is it? And is it designed and intended for everyone? Or does it exclude? And you can see clearly in these images that public space can be designed to exclude groups. And in these images too, you can see, well, skateboarders or anybody wanting to sit around here just can't do it. An interesting aspect of public space comes with gender and whether women versus men have equal access to public space, whether they feel they can access space, whether they feel safe in that space. And we see that in all sorts of examples as well. So this is Hackney Marshes in 1951. There are 88 football pitches monopolising public space here at a time when women just didn't play football at all. So what would we be thinking about the design of space? Well, it would be great to be thinking about public space that brings people together, that creates sort of social cohesion and is accessible to all groups. So here you see a wonderful image which is about public space, but it's about people meeting in public space. So the Campus Development Project is a student-led group. It's a research group looking to measure how our campus and outdoor space is used and how diverse its use is, whether there's equality of use. So it started last year, it was disrupted by lockdown, and some of the research will be led by the curriculum. So different year groups will be interpreting different aspects of the project. Some of the guiding questions that we have is to what extent does the outdoor campus provide for boys and girls? Does it serve both genders equally? Another question we could look at is whether it's open to extroverts as much as it is for introverts or the other way around. Different ethnic cultural groups, are we providing for the diversity of our community well enough? To what extent does it explore different types of play and facilitate that for our children? And to what extent does it actually support the guiding statements of the school? There's another aspect to it which is looking at the nature and biodiversity of campus and how it could be used to encourage that. So we've decided already on some methodologies, and these might interest you. We're looking at filming and digitally mapping play and then looking at patterns of play that way. We're looking at surveying current student play and recreation and movement, and that's well underway already. So you'll be coming into the project and starting with that kind of already set up to go. We'll be measuring biodiversity and forest health. And then another aspect, we'll be looking at safe nature corridors across campus. How can animals move across campus safely or can't they? So who should consider it? Well, it's going to be coming with some big responsibilities. You've got to be interested in the research, and an aspect of it will be working with younger children right across the school, so right from early years up into senior school. You'll be presenting to leadership, board of governors, SLT, so you need to be able to be organised and you need to be able to work within a team. You might need to take control and be an independent worker on one aspect of it. Definitely looking for filmmakers and editors, people that are interested in environmental systems or urban ecosystems, maybe interested in future architecture, urban planning, or perhaps you're interested in the human aspects there, the gender issues. So there's a lot there for you, and hopefully, we're looking for a good number of you to join the group. Okay, bye-bye.